Looking for the perfect camera to start vlogging? I might have something for you. Hey guys, it's Andrea, and in today's video I will talk about my very first digital interchangeable lenses camera. So this is the Canon EOS M100, and I'm so happy I bought this camera. What I want to tell you is that this video will not be a very detailed review video. If you want some detailed reviews, there are hundreds of videos out there, and I really like the one on the Canon YouTube channel, so you might want to check that out. But today I want to talk about how I vlog with this camera. So first of all, let's start with the basics. So this camera comes with the kit lens. It's a 15 to 45 millimeter lens. It's a zoom lens. It's a full frame camera. It's very light and compact, as you can see. I really like it, and what I like most about it, that it has a flip screen. Yeah, this is the main reason I bought this camera actually, because I needed to see myself when I'm vlogging, right? Another thing I really like about this camera is that it has a touch screen, so I can change the settings very quickly. It has a 24 megapixel CMOS sensor, and of course I use this camera a lot for photography. I have a bunch of lenses, so since this has an EF-M mount, I need an adapter to use other lenses. But this adapter was not really expensive, so I'm really happy about it because I can just mount it on. And now I can mount my 50mm lens and any other EF-S lenses. So if I want to shoot like a really wide angle, then I will use, I didn't until now, but I will in the summertime hopefully, this 10 to 18mm lens, which is also an EF-S lens. So I couldn't connect to my camera without the adapter, but since I have the adapter, I can use a wide variety of lenses. Now I will insert some footage so you can see what I vlogged with just the kit lens. This is a super nice lens, and it's a zoom lens, so it's awesome. You can check out my previous videos where last summer I went on a holiday here in my country and I took my camera with me. That was the first time I vlogged with this camera, and it was a really nice experience. Good morning guys, and welcome back to the first episode of the pandemic trip vlog. Yeah, I would totally do that. We just discovered this gorgeous lake. Also, Transalpina is the highest road in Romania. The quality of the videos are really nice, they are sharp, and here are some pictures with me vlogging with the camera. It's really nice that it's not that heavy and I can just mount it on a smaller tripod and I'm good to go. It also has a built-in flash if you want to shoot something in the dark. I never used it before. So the menu is very simple, it's nothing complicated. You can change the settings very quickly since it has touchscreen. So I really am happy with this camera, and if you have some nice lenses, then you can take some awesome photos and awesome footage. I just cannot recommend this little camera enough. I have a DSLR Canon 600D. Of course, it's not the most recent release, but I'm pretty pleased with that as well. But since it doesn't have a touch screen, I tend to use this little camera like all the time. So if you are looking for a light, a compact, a really good camera to start vlogging, or even for photography, I highly recommend this. I highly recommend this, especially because it has a flip screen and it's a really good camera. And if you have any questions about this camera, or if you want me to do a more detailed review, please let me know in the comments below and I will answer your questions. Also, I will have links in the description box for everything I use, all the lenses and the camera. Make sure you check those out. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give it a like, share it with someone who might be interested in seeing this video, and I will see you very soon. Bye!